Kung naghahanap kayo ng vacation house near Tagaytay, I think you'll love Casa Plaus. Honestly, isa ito sa mga pinaka-well-prepared vacation homes na napuntahan namin. The house is super clean at nasa tahimik na area, kaya perfect siya kung gusto niyo talaga mag-relax at mag-unwind away from the city. Ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko talaga is how complete everything is. Sa kitchen pa lang, halos wala ka nang hahanapin. Complete ang cooking and dining essentials. Plus, may complimentary coffee and basic condiments. May free drinking water pa, which is a big plus for me. Malaki din ang dining area, kaya sakto for a big family. Even the bathrooms are complete with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, at iba pang essentials. Kaya kahit may makalimutan ka, okay lang. Meron silang 3 rooms at napansin ko rin na ang linis ng bedsheets, towels at linens. Masarap matulog at talagang comfortable yung stay namin. If you're traveling with your fur babies, good news because pet-friendly ang Casa Plaus. Fully fenced yung property kaya nakapaglaro ng safe yung dogs namin. Malinis din yung swimming pool and I like na may outdoor shower at bathroom malapit dito. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan pumasok agad sa bahay ng basa. Lastly, sobrang accommodating ng owner. Ramdam mong gusto talaga nilang maging comfortable ang bawat guest at open sila sa suggestions para mas lalo pang gumanda ang experience. Overall, Casa Plaus really feels like a home away from home. Highly recommended for families, barkadas, at even for parents looking for a relaxing stay in Alfonso, Cavite.